A rainy morning here. We got some of our guys laid off because of the rain. Other guys are going to be installing floors and doing some controller hangs today. So let's get these guys up and running, see what's going on here this morning. Morning, guys. You guys bring your canoes?
Yeah.
I think we need them. All right, I'm gonna get out back here and see what's going on with these guys. Alrighty, we're gonna head out to a couple garage floor installs we're doing today. Not the best weather day, but we're inside working, so we'll be out of the rain. And we got portable heat set up on both of these jobs. Come along with us, we're headed out. Alrighty here, let's see what's going on here with this garage. Guys are getting a start on it this morning. Getting the ground prepped up. We are going to take a look and see how they're making out here. Nice garage. Yeah. Nice home. Remember the old house you tore down? Looks good out here, doesn't it?
Yeah.
How's the floor? Good? Good concrete?
Yeah.
Workable? Sometimes you get it, they finish it off too much, and then it's really hard to work with on that surface. You doing okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you get it pinning up today?
Yep.
Face on? Face
yep.
up?
Couple hours later.
Okay. Alrighty, I'll let you be. Tomorrow we'll put our top coat on, and Saturday we'll go over and help Ruth. Yeah. Thanks, guys. Okay. Alrighty. Alrighty then. Alright, we're going down here and take a look at this transformer. Got a transformer down here. Apparently it's not working on this wall. We'll see what's going on here. On this rainy day, let's see what's going on. Oh, let's take a look here. Looks like something's been up inside of here. Field mouse. Something's been up inside of here. Yeah. He's definitely gotten into our wires. Get out here tomorrow on a dry day and get this taken care of. Alrighty, on to the next job site. Alright. Down here at the golf course, the South River. We're going to take a look at a drainage situation here going on at the back of the clubhouse, I believe. We're going to meet the one of the superintendents and or the general manager, and we're going to see what's going on here. See something that we can solve by exterior of the building, some drainage from downspouts or erosion, water's coming from a different direction, and or somebody we need to bring in would be Value Drive, one of our valued partners, and find out how that's going. All right, we were just inside taking a look here. Inside of this building, they got water coming in underneath these windows downstairs. You got this busted up concrete. That's probably leading to some of the source. Take a look back here, see what's going on. So you got all this cracked up here, Graydon?
Yeah,
so
all this whole walkway.
All that water is going down in here. I'm sure that's not parged anymore, so that needs to be all excavated out of here. you got a big hole down here, water running back underneath that slab. So this slab needs to be cut at an angle and pulled up, excavated down 10 feet so we can get underneath here. That needs to be all patched and broken up inside too, all parged, resealed, plastic, and then a weather membrane put on here, and that would solve this problem. But it's a lot of work pulling all this up, and you got to put it all back down, heal back the shrubs, and get this right. But they want to get this for a budget, so we're going to work up some numbers here and bring in one of our valued trusted partners, because this is going to be a two-company job here. Get this done properly, and then everybody on the same page working together so we can do this seamlessly. Alrighty, so
Just conclude our visit.
yeah, I think so, but we're going to have to cut right here. See where this is here? Pull this up.
This whole.
Let's cut all this out, okay? Excavate down. That's 8 foot, but you're going to go 2 feet down below the footers, and then that's going to have to be that water will be brought back in, pumped back up. The pump in the corner, hidden underneath the steps, out of sight. Pump back over this corner and down the hill. So I know the scope of what needs to be done. It's just me a matter of writing it up and getting it, getting Value Dry to give us a quote, and they need to do their assessment on in agreement with what I'm thinking, and which I'm sure it will be. We've done a lot of jobs with them, and we'll get this right. Alrighty, we're gonna go to the next job site, and we'll talk to you guys on the next episode, Life of a Contractor. There's always some episode going on. Come on. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, like, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.